Hello everyone, today we will be looking at how to use OpenProject 2025, optimize task management and team collaboration. OpenProject is an open source project management tool designed to help teams collaborate, manage tasks, track progress, and much more. The latest version, OpenProject 2025, brings a ton of new features and improvements that will take your task management to the next level. Whether you are working on a large-scale enterprise project or a small team initiative, OpenProject can help you keep everything organized and efficient. Let's start with some of the key features that make OpenProject 2025 a standout. First up, we have an improved task management system. It's intuitive, flexible, and customizable, making it easier than ever to manage your project efficiently. You can break down complex tasks to smaller, more manageable subtasks, set clear priorities, and assign them to the right team members based on their strengths or availability. With its drag and drop interface and visual progress tracking, you will always have a clear overview of who is working on what and when it is due. Additionally, the system allows for customizable workflows, so you can tailor the task management process to fit your team's unique needs, ensuring maximum productivity and collaboration. Whether you are managing a small project or a large-scale initiative, OpenProject 2025 task management tools will help keep everything on track. To create a task, all you need to do is go to your project's Work Packages section. Here, you can create a task, add a title, and give it a detailed description. Don't forget to assign it to the right team member. Set the priority and attach any relevant files or documents. It is that simple. You can also set deadlines, define work packages, and establish dependencies between tasks. OpenProject now includes advanced filtering and tagging options, so you can easily find tasks by priority, deadline, or responsible team members. Now let's talk about team collaboration. OpenProject makes communication seamless and efficient, ensuring that your team stays connected no matter where they are. Within each task, you have the ability to comment, attach relevant files, and tag other team members, allowing for direct, contextual conversations that keep everyone in the loop. This not only streamlines communication, but also ensures that important details don't get lost in endless email chains or fragmented messages. You will also receive instant notifications whenever there is a comment or update on your task, so you are always in the know without having to constantly check in. This real-time communication feature fosters a more transparent work environment, making it easy to stay updated on task progress and any changes made by team members. To further enhance collaboration, OpenProject offers an activity stream, which provides a comprehensive overview of all updates across your projects. This includes new tasks, completed tasks, ongoing discussions, and any other important actions happening within the platform. It is an excellent way to stay informed about everything going on within your team, ensuring that you never miss an important update. With these tools, OpenProject makes it easier to manage not just individual tasks, but the flow of communication across the entire team, keeping everyone aligned and on track in real time. If you prefer to visualize your tasks and deadlines, the Gantt chart feature will be a game changer. OpenProject 2025 has made this even more user-friendly, allowing you to drag and drop tasks to adjust dates, dependencies, and priorities. Here, you can view tasks in a timeline, making it easier to track project progress and identify potential bottlenecks. It is an excellent tool for project managers who want to ensure everything is moving on time and within scope. Another fantastic feature in OpenProject 2025 is time tracking. By tracking time spent on tasks, your team can be more productive and accurate with project planning. This data also helps you generate insightful reports, which are crucial for understanding how much effort has gone into each task and identifying areas for improvement. You can log hours directly in the task details and later pull reports to review time spent on specific tasks, team members' workloads, or even project level time tracking. For teams working with Agile methodologies, OpenProject 2025 has expanded its Scrum and Kanban functionalities. You can now manage sprints, create user stories, and visualize your board with more customization options. Whether you are planning a sprint or managing your backlog, OpenProject provides a seamless Agile experience. You can track team progress with real-time updates and ensure that every task aligns with the sprint goals. Customization is key to optimizing task management. OpenProject 2025 lets you personalize your project's workflow, define custom fields, and set up templates for repeated tasks. This is especially useful for large teams working on various projects. Plus, OpenProject allows you to define different user roles to control permissions and ensure the right people have access to the right information. From project managers to contributors, you can tailor the platform to fit your team structure. OpenProject 2025 also supports integration with a variety of other tools, including Slack, GitHub, and Microsoft Teams, making collaboration even smoother. You can sync tasks, messages, and updates across your entire tech stack. And it doesn't stop there. With OpenProject's mobile app, your team can stay connected and manage tasks on the go. Whether you are in the office or out in the field, you can update tasks, communicate with your team, and access important project data from anywhere. Lastly, the reporting capabilities in OpenProject 2025 are robust. You can track project health with visual reports, monitor team performance, and analyze time usage. This allows you to make informed decisions and adjust course when necessary. With OpenProject's detailed reporting features, you will always have a clear picture of where your project stands, and you can act proactively to avoid delays or resource conflicts. Now that you have seen some of the key features of OpenProject 2025, let's talk about some best practices to optimize your experience. First, take advantage of the task templates. They are great for recurring tasks and will save you time in the long run. Also, don't forget to use custom fields for tracking additional information that is specific to your project. Second, make sure to set clear task dependencies. This helps you manage complex projects and keeps everyone aligned with what needs to be done and when. Lastly, don't overlook time tracking. Having accurate data on how much time is spent on tasks allows you to improve forecasting and resource allocation for future projects. OpenProject 2025 is an incredible tool to optimize task management and team collaboration. With its intuitive interface, powerful features, and endless customization options, you will be well on your way to managing projects more effectively. And that is all there is on how to use OpenProject 2025. Optimize task management and team collaboration. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Bye for now.